Hello everyone. Today I will guide you how to grow bell peppers in orchid baskets easily and with high yield. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. To grow your first bell pepper seedlings, I'll show you how to sow seeds. Don't rush to throw away used yogurt containers. We can use them to grow bell pepper seeds. After putting soil in each yogurt box, add bell pepper seeds and spray water evenly in a cool place. The bell peppers will germinate faster. After 5 days, the bell pepper seeds have sprouted healthily. Now, we can prepare the pots to plant them. My choice is to use flower pots and hangers to grow bell peppers. Once the pot is ready, we start preparing the soil. To make the soil loose, I use rice husks. Rice husks can make the soil loose and also provide long-term nutrition for the plants. To provide nutrients for young plants from the beginning, to help them grow roots well, I mix vermicompost into the soil. In addition to providing nutrients for plants, vermicompost also has good antibacterial properties and is non-toxic. After planting baby bell peppers, we need to water immediately to help the plant have enough moisture and nutrients to grow. After only 10 days of planting, the bell peppers have taken root and the plants are healthy. We need to take care of them to help them have enough nutrients to grow. For me, taking care of plants but always protecting the environment and health, I will choose non-toxic organic fertilizers for plants, and this time I use worm castings. To keep the soil moist and the worm castings able to release nutrients quickly, I will water each bell pepper plant. Thanks to my timely care, the green bell pepper plant is growing better and better. When the plant is 20 days old, I will take care of it to help it flower more. First, I will plow the soil to loosen it, remove weeds, and help the soil to metabolize better. The taller the plant, the more metabolism and the stronger the root system. At this point, we can add soil to each plant, creating enough space for the plant to grow. And we can fertilize each plant with organic fertilizer. And don't forget to water. Water is very important for all ornamental creatures. Whether or not a bell pepper plant produces a lot of fruit depends on the flowering stage. When the plant is 30 days old, it will flower. To stimulate large, healthy flowers that are resistant to pests and diseases, we need to pay attention. First, I will add compost and water to help the plant absorb nutrients to produce fruit. When the plant flowers, there will be many types of pests that come into contact with the pistil. I will use 1 clove of garlic mixed with water and spray evenly on each plant, helping to repel and limit pests that harm the plant. Oh great! 2-month-old bell peppers have given us lots of big ripe ones. Now we can share with friends. Bell peppers not only add flavor to our meals, but are also great for the heart. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.